Hi. In this trading tutorial, we'll learn how to count pips in the Forex market. Pips are the smallest price movement unit in Forex trading, representing a 1 basis point change in the exchange rate. They help measure currency pair fluctuations and calculate profits and losses. Typically, 1 pip equals 0.0001 for most currency pairs. But let's see an example. Let's consider the following quotation: 1.24735 on the Forex market. 3 is the number of pips. 7 is the number of tens of pips. 4 is the number of hundreds of pips. 2 is the number of thousands of pips. Whereas 5 is the number of tenths of a pip. For example, when prices go from 1.24735 to 1.24745, you get a profit of 1 pip. From 1.24735 to 1.24835, you get a profit of 10 pips. And from 1.24735 to 1.25735, you get a profit of 100 pips. Finally, when prices go from 1.24735 to 1.34735, you get a profit of 1000 pips. Now, you have a clear understanding of pips. Thanks for watching.